Hello sewing friends, today we'll be sewing the Juliet top by Love Notions. I will be using a striped fabric and I'll be showing you how we can turn the fabric in different directions to get a very unique top. Okay, so the first thing is to fold the fabric so that the stripes are aligned on top of each other directly. So you can see that I have done that here. You could also do this on a single layer of fabric, but I think I have better control of aligning my stripes if I fold the fabric. I have cut out my back bodice here, and next we are going to do the front bodice. So I'm not placing my pattern piece in any particular order at the moment, but I'm going to be using the back bodice piece to help me to align the stripes perfectly at the side seams. So I have found a common stripe pattern in the front fabric and I'm aligning it to the already cut out back bodice piece. Then next I'm going to slide the front pattern piece so that the armhole is identically. I'm going to slide down the front bodice piece so that the armhole is right beside the back bodice armhole so that I have the nice curve, and then I'm going to cut out my front bodice. So my front and back, they have been cut out, and as you can see, when I align the armholes, the stripes in the fabric, they match perfectly. So once that's done, it's time for the sleeves. Now I wanted to figure out how to do this, so I am trying different ways in which to get a nice pattern in the sleeves. Once you have found the direction that you want to cut your sleeve in, cut one and then lay it on the fabric and find the same identical stripe direction and cut out the other one. That way both your sleeves will be identical when you have attached them to your bodice. For the yoke and the binding pieces, I have decided to cut out the fabric in vertical stripes. I've now attached the yoke and front bodice together. I'm now going to sew the back bodice to the front at the shoulder seams, and we will follow the directions in the pattern to complete the entire top going forward. So now that I have sewn on the sleeves as well, I'm just checking to be sure that my side seams are perfectly aligned for the front and the back bodice, and I'm going to pin them carefully so they don't move. I'm going to just finish sewing up my Juliet and show you at the very end how beautiful it turned out. So here is the finished product of the Juliet in stripes.